three companies, all trying to solve the same problem. How do we manage inventory efficiently? But all three choose completely different approaches. One says, supplier will own inventory. Second says, supplier will manage replenishment. Third says, replenish only when consumption happens. And that is exactly the difference between consignment stock, vendor-managed inventory, VMI, Kanban systems. In this video, we'll cover how each system works, their key differences, real-world examples, when companies should use each model, ownership differences, replenishment logic, and working capital impact. Let's start. What is consignment stock? Consignment stock is an arrangement where inventory is physically stored at customer site, but ownership remains with supplier until consumption. This is the most important concept. The inventory may be inside customer warehouse, but financially it still belongs to supplier. Real example. Imagine an automotive manufacturer using expensive electronic components. The supplier places inventory directly inside manufacturer warehouse, but payment happens only when components are actually used in production. Why companies use it? For buyers, lower working capital, reduced upfront inventory investment, better material availability. For suppliers, better customer relationship, stable demand visibility. Important insight. Consignment stock is mainly a financial and ownership strategy. What is VMI? Now let's move to vendor-managed inventory. This is where many people get confused, because VMI is not mainly about ownership. It is about replenishment responsibility. In VMI, supplier monitors customer inventory levels and decides when to replenish, how much to replenish. The customer shares inventory data, consumption data, forecast information with supplier. Real example. A supermarket may allow beverage supplier to directly monitor store inventory. The supplier automatically replenishes products without waiting for purchase orders every time. Why companies use VMI? Better replenishment efficiency, lower stockouts, improved collaboration, better inventory visibility. Important insight. VMI is mainly a collaborative replenishment strategy. What is Kanban? Now let's talk about Kanban. Kanban is completely different from both consignment and VMI. Kanban is a pool-based replenishment system. This means replenishment happens only when actual consumption occurs. Not based on forecast, not based on schedule, but based on real usage. Real example. Inside an automobile factory, when a bin of bolts becomes empty, that empty bin itself acts as replenishment signal. Why companies use Kanban? Reduce excess inventory, improve production flow, reduce overproduction, support lean manufacturing. Kanban is strongly connected with Toyota production system, lean manufacturing, just-in-time, JIT. Important insight. Kanban is mainly an operational flow efficiency strategy. The biggest differences. Now let's compare all three side by side. Difference 1. Inventory ownership. Consignment. Supplier owns until usage. VMI. Usually buyer owns after delivery. Kanban. Usually buyer owned. Difference 2. Replenishment responsibility. Consignment. Supplier. VMI. Supplier. Kanban. Triggered by consumption. Difference 3. Main objective. Consignment. Working capital optimization. VMI. Inventory collaboration. Kanban. Lean operational flow. Which one is better? Honestly, there is no universally best system. The correct choice depends on business objective. If company wants lower working capital, consignment stock, better replenishment collaboration, VMI, lean manufacturing flow, Kanban. Many companies actually combine all three systems together. Example. An automotive manufacturer may use consignment stock for expensive components, VMI for repetitive materials, Kanban inside production lines. Conclusion. Let's recap. Consignment stock. Supplier owns inventory until usage. VMI. Supplier manages replenishment. Kanban. Replenishment triggered by actual consumption. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. Join our membership. You will get to break down supply chain problems and their database solutions with real-world frameworks every week. Till then, keep optimizing. Thanks for watching.